हेलो बच्चों, स्वागत है आप सभी का गिन्नी क्रिएटर में। आज के वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं ए से जेड तक। तो चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल, C for cat, D for dog,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
E for elephant,
L-M-N-O-P, Q, R, S, T,
F for fish,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
G for
ABCs. Next
grapes,
time, won't you sing with me?
H for hen,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I for ice cream,
L-M-N-O-P, Q, R, S, T, U,
J
V,
for jug,
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
K for
ABCs.
kite,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
L for lion, M for mango, N for nest,
A, B, C, D,
O
E,
for
F, G,
orange,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
P for
T, U, V,
parrot,
W, X, Y, and Z.
Q
Now
for
I know
kiwi,
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
R for rabbit, S for sun,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
T
J,
for
K, L,
tiger,
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
U
X,
for
Y,
umbrella,
and Z. Now I know my
V
ABCs.
for van,
Next time, won't you sing with me?
W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra,